In our previous lecture, main characters points of Rajasthani School of Miniature Painting. In our today's class, we have a painting Chogan players. Before starting the painting, I want to discuss some basic points of all paintings. How to analyze a painting? Yes, please listen carefully. How to analyze a painting or an artwork? A picture may be worth 1,000 words, but unless you can articulately describe it, you are no better than a known art student or a layman who is capable of saying quietly which is the right side of this painting. When studying art, the verbal description is just as important as visuals. These descriptions tell the average person more about the piece. Your duty as a successful artist is not only to make a person feel through your work, but also make him feel through your words. You must describe its features, benefits to make a connection between your art and known artist or a layman. Yes, dear students, we can say, I like this painting, don't like this painting, this is good, this is interesting, this is important. Yes, art appreciations and aesthetics demands much more than that. Yes, dear students, the following five words, the five W's and one H are the simplest answer to help analyze and appreciate art. And what is the five W's? Who, why, when, where, what, and how. Who means what is the artist's name? Who is artist? Why means what is the purpose of this painting? When means date. Where means location, museum. What means subject, medium, size, and condition. And how means formal quality, style, including elements or principles. Yes, dear students, these are the key points you must keep in your mind when you are going to describe any painting. Today's your topic is Chogan player. Chogan players. Yes, look at the picture. Chogan players. Painting name is Chogan players. Artist name is Dana. Medium is tempera watercolor on paper. Period circa 18th century. And school means painting style. Style is Jodhpur, Rajasthan. And courtesy National Museum, New Delhi. These are the main points of the painting. It means who, when, why, where, what, and how. Next point is that subject matter. Subject matter is Chogan players is a horizontal painting. Horizontal painting in which two princes are playing polo with their four maids. Look at the picture. In upper part, two princesses are there, and lower part, four maids are there. They are playing polo. Description is that the princes are sitting on the back of two different horses in upper section of the painting and are facing each other. यानी कि दोनों एक दूसरे की तरफ देख रही हैं और ये ऊपर का जो हिस्सा है पेंटिंग में उसमें यह सब कुछ दिखाया गया है. While the other four horses in the lower section with the maids are running in opposite direction. आप नीचे पिक्चर में इसमें देख सकते हैं जो फोर मेड्स हैं उनके चेहरे एक दूसरे की तरफ हैं लेकिन जो उनकी डायरेक्शन है हॉर्सेस की वो ऑपोजिट है. Yes, opposite direction, but the faces of maids are on the same side where princes are looking. Yes, figures have been perfected against red, yellow, ultramarine, or orange background. All six polo sticks are covering the ball. Next point is that All ladies have high rounded forehead, faces are profile, the eye ladies are angulated up to their temple. Their skirts are spread on the horse's back like bells in the styled manner. And the composition is against a flat green color, flat green background. Flat means single color are there. Colors are very bright. A light green landscape shows a harmonious contrast to the painting. All the dresses are in contemporary Rajput customs and well ornamented. This is the painting of Chogan players. Yes, dear students, sometimes you are confused about the painting colors. Okay, but in really text description is right. Okay, if you want to increase any painting description, you can write your own words to keep in mind the painting. Okay, this is the painting of Chogan players. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you.